So in part C, we're told that when Phoebe's coffee shop first opened, Apollo's shop had 7,000 customers the previous month, and we want to see how many will prefer of these 7,000 customers Phoebe's shop after n months. So pretty much what we need to do is take this transition matrix, raise it to the power of n, and multiply it with the initial state. So in the previous parts, we have seen that, we know that we can split this matrix up into this form where we have p times d to the n times the inverse of p, and then this is multiplied with the initial state, right? So this is the matrix with the eigenvectors, this is the matrix with the eigenvalues. And so the reason we like to do this is because it becomes very easy to raise matrices to certain powers. So let's write this down. So the first eigenvalue can be 1 minus 1 for lambda 2, 0.65, and the other one was 5.2. This was multiplied with 0.65 to the n, 0, 0, 1. This is multiplied with the inverse of this matrix and multiplied with 7,000 and 0. So all we need to do now is start simplifying this. So we can first calculate the inverse of that matrix. We can find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix very easily. We simply need to multiply with 1 over the determinant. Here there is 2 minus 7, so that's going to be, we need to divide by the determinant, so 7. And then we simply flip the main diagonal and change the signs of the other diagonal. So like this, then we still have 7,000, 0. So we could simplify with this 7 and this 7. So this simply becomes, so this disappears, and this becomes a 1000 like this. And then we can multiply this matrix over here so that we get 1 minus 1, 5, 2 times 0.65 to the n, 0, 0, 1. And then when we multiply this, what we will get is simply the first column multiplied by 1,000. So 2,000, 1,000. And then what we need to do here is, well, continue multiplying this. So this will simply be, let's again multiply from the right. So 1, 5, minus 1, 2. And again, when we multiply this, this will be 2,000 times 0.65 to the n and 1,000 on the bottom. And then finally, we need to multiply this as well. So this will be 2,000 times 0.65 to the n plus 5,000 over 2,000 minus 2,000 times 0.65 to the n. And so the number preferring Phoebe's shop after n months is simply going to be the bottom row. As also in the original case, this was the one representing Phoebe's shop.